moving to a different state. But inshallah, Kishore, in future you will
Naveen is
move to a
comparing
foreign
with
country for
my
the job.
sister, man. Like
Yeah,
marks.
Kishore?
Naveen is comparing with my sister.
No, I'm not comparing. I just told you that inshallah you will have a brighter future than your sister. Inshallah in future you will get a very good job in a foreign country. I wish you all the best.
Yeah. Shall I talk about
Okay.
this topic, ma'am?
Yeah, please go ahead, Kishore.
Yeah, in my opinion, women and men have equal responsibilities at home because yeah, after coming to home, if they share their works equally, like cooking, when girl is cooking, the men should be like cutting vegetables and helping in household works. It should be reduce some work pressure on the women, and it's also builds and love and affection between them, and they will be having lots of time to talk and understand each other. It will say a good relationship between them. But in this generation, in past generations, only women will be work in home and men will be working at outside. But nowadays, women and men both are working in IT or something offices. But after coming to home, but also woman is still working, but the men is relaxed. It is not. I mean, she is not helping to her because of gender equality, gender problem. If he is help with his wife, he can build a good relationship with them, and he can understand his wife, and his wife also will love so much. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kishore, for sharing your opinion. So, my opinion as with a conclusion. So, according to me, as you can say,
ma'am.
Yes, Saqib.
Ma'am, Arshad is there, ma'am.
Arshad wanna talk.
Oh, Arshad. sorry. Okay,
Ma'am,
Arshad,
ma'am.
please go ahead. Sorry.
Can I say something?
Yes, Kishore.
You are not giving to chance to anyone, ma'am. Sometime
Kishore, the
you are
thing
not.
is that you are late. You are late. You should join early at
Ma'am,
sharp
I came
6:50.
7.
No.
I came 7 only, ma'am. But you are not giving a chance to speak. You are like you are me.
Murmuring.
No, ma'am.
No, you are not replying. Naveen, I was calling him, right? He was not. You are not replying. That's the reason why I have given chance to Saqib.
Ma'am,
Okay.
my sister telling they are murmuring. They are
Who
not
are
giving
murmuring?
you, and that is why we.
Okay, that is Saqib actually. You know, Saqib is just destroying the harmonious environment of this particular voice.
Come on, man. No. I'm not pugnacious. I'm very kind.
Okay. Let's stop this. Okay, Kishore, just add what more thing just which were you trying to say? Please add.
Please give to chance to equally, ma'am. Like Harshit and
Okay.
learner. Yeah. So they can also speak because the time
Bro,
is
Okay.
Kishore, bro.
The time is less.
Bro,
Okay,
start.
Arshad, please go ahead.
No issue.
Go ahead, Arshad.
Kishore can lead the conversation. There is no any issue, and he wants to speak. Really want to speak on this topic. Then I'm not going to stop him. Please go ahead, man. I'm muting myself.
No, man.
Okay.
Man, please go ahead, man. Arshad,
Yeah. Arshad, please go ahead. After that,
It's your turn.
I will give. Arshad, please go ahead. The time is less. Okay, Arshad, please go ahead.
Hey lad, speak up. Yo, lad, are you
Arshad?
What to speak, man?
You have to speak. Should men and women have equal responsibilities at home? What do you think? What's your opinion on this particular debate topic?
Arshad will disagree with it.
Should men and women have equal responsibility at home? No. Well, Shakib, you got me right, bro.
So why no? You
The
have
reason
to
is that-
elaborate your answer, by the way.
All right. Okay, if I talk about a woman, would woman do the same thing as a man? In external, in outside. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, you're audible. Please continue.
Yeah. Just I'm asking.
You are asking a question.
Yeah. Ask the question. Yeah.
In many of the situation, girl can work, but especially some situation able to work.
You know what, bro? Like, what the issue is going on, man? My voice is echoing. Can you guys, mute
Learner,
yourself?
please mute yourself. Learner and Kishore. Okay, Arshad, you can. Learner, please mute yourself. Learner.